Garden Dolphins, it is so good to see you this morning. Let's begin our day with some calendar. We're going to start by looking at the date. Now we've been working really hard to look at what yesterday was and just to count up. Now yesterday's date was the 21st. It was the 21st day, a 21. What number comes after 21? What is one bigger than 21? It's 22, very good. Let's figure out which number shows us 22. Is it my first, middle, or last number? Well, we already know it's not this one because here I have a 3 in the front. And remember, our 20s all have a 2 in the front. Both of these numbers have a 2 in the front. I'm going to remove this one. Now, which one shows us 22? We know that both of these numbers are in the 20s, but only one of them shows us 22. It's my middle one, 22. We have a 2 in the front that shows us it's in the 20s, and a 2 here that shows us it's 22. Very nice. We're going to add that to our calendar. And we can go ahead and write it on our calendar mat as well. Okay, so I've got my calendar mat here, and I'm going to add 22 using a 2 and a 2. 22. Awesome. Okay, now we're ready to talk about the month. We know that today is the 22nd day of the month, but what month are we in? Let's sing our months of the year song to help us remember. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Great job. So we remembered all of the names of our months. What month are we in right now? Do we remember? We can always use our beginning sounds to help us sound it out. October, very good, October. We are still in the month of October. We're getting close to the end though. We can start thinking about what our next month will be very soon. How exciting. Now that we know our month and our date, let's talk about the year. What year are we in? 2020, very good, 2020. I think we're ready to fill in our date sheet for the day. All right. So I'm going to start on the side that has the written word October. Now we said that today was the 22nd, so that means I need to write a 22 here. I have my 22, and it shows me that it is still 2020. Now we're going to flip it over. Remember that October is our 10th month of the year. We have 12 months of the year. October is the 10th month, and we are going to add that today is the 22nd day. 22. Very good. All right, now that we've figured out our date, we're ready to talk about the days of the week. Let's begin with our Days of the Week song to help us remember all of the days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. The days of the week. And look at these hidden partners making 7. We have 5 weekdays and 2 weekend days. 5 and 2 are one way that we can make 7. Very cool. Now let's think about what today is. What is today? It's not Monday, not Tuesday. Yesterday was Wednesday. So I can add that. Yesterday was Wednesday with a W. Now if yesterday was Wednesday, that must mean that today is Thursday. Very good. Today is Thursday. And remember, Thursday is one of those words that has a TH blend at the beginning. When we mix 2 letters together, we call it a blend. Kind of like when you mix colors, you blend them. So these 2 letters together, T and H, they make a th sound. Kind of like in thank you, or in thumb, or in the. and also in Thursday. Very nice. Now we can go ahead and circle that on our calendar mat. So I found the Thursday with my TH. I'm circling it on my calendar mat to show that today is Thursday. Now, if today is Thursday, that means that tomorrow will be, very end of our week, Friday. Tomorrow will be Friday. Begins with the letter F for Friday. Very nice. All right. Sounds like we know about our days of the week now. I think we're ready to do our weather report. So let's go ahead and sing the weather song together. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Tell me, kinder, what's the weather? What's the weather like today? What do you think? What do we think? Well, I think that it's looking pretty cloudy out these days. I noticed this morning it was cloudy when I woke up. It almost looked like it was still nighttime. It was pretty dark outside. And it was feeling pretty cold, pretty chilly and cold. So I'm going to put cold and cloudy on my weather report. That's a pretty normal weather report for the season of fall. Remember, we are still in the season of fall, or we can also call it autumn. And we will still be in this season for another month. So that's a pretty typical weather report for us in fall. Okay, great job on your calendars today. All right, I'll check in with you all later. Bye.